Dapat yakapin natin ng pag-iyak as a way to cope with grief. At ayoko talaga nung nananaway na, tumahan ka na, huwag kang umiyak. Hindi,
Go, labas mo
umiyak.
lang.
Diba? Hayaan mo siyang
Tama.
umiyak.
So, how do we support them as a church
Yeah.
naman?
Di ba part ng community?
Oo.
The misconception is that as a church, we are supposed to help them accept
Oo.
death
Yeah.
or yung grief as a reality. Kaya sa mga services kapag lamay, ganon, sa mga vigil, parang ang tinutulak ng message lagi ay matanggap ng pamilya na nawala yung ganito, matanggap nila na ito ay kasama sa plano ng Panginoon, ganon. It doesn't help the grieving actually. Ang kailangan nila hindi yung makarating sila sa acceptance eh. They need us as the church to walk with them in their lament. Yung maramdaman nila na may kasama sila in their grief. Hindi yung pilitin natin sila na tanggapin mo na yan kasi yan ang makakabuti, yan ang plano ng Panginoon. Diba? How awful na ipapatanggap mo na lang sa akin na plano ng Panginoon na mawala yung mahal ko sa buhay. Diba? Although, yes,
Yung reality.
yung reality
reality.
yun. Pero you don't push that to a person who's grieving. Kasi hindi yun healthy. Diba? Ang kailangan nila, yung maramdaman nila na may kasama sila even in their pain. So ako as a church, I believe yun ang role natin to walk with them in their
Yes.
lament, in their grief.
So let's figure it out with Diane.
And Titus only here on Talking Sage!